Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you guys are new here, my name is Jay, and on today's gear review episode, we're going to be reviewing a product that was sent to me from a company called Skyfire Us. They are a Amazon-based company, and when they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review their new flashlight, I instantly said yes, because you guys know me. You know I love my lights, and if I could review a flashlight for you, I'll do it. So they were kind enough to send out this bad boy. This is their 10,000 lumen flashlight with an adjustable tube that extends from spotlight to follow light. It has 4 lighting modes. It is USB-C rechargeable, and it can also charge your device too with the USB-A. So you have C to recharge, A to charge out. And the coolest feature that I love about this light is this light can actually, it is so powerful that this light can actually burn things for you. And I'm going to show you guys that right now. Now, in order to burn things, we're going to have to switch out the lens. And we're going to have to add on this special magnified lens right here. It is threaded on the bottom, and as you can see, it's threaded on the inside of the light. So we're just going to screw it on as such, and we're going to get started. Alright, you guys, so I have a fire starter right here. I'm standing next to the fire pit right now just in case. Alright, do not do this indoors. So let's see how long it takes to light this on fire. Gonna set it on the highest mode. Whoa, that's bright. Don't look at it with your eyes, you know, guys. Wear safety goggles. Don't look directly at it, you guys. I don't have safety goggles on me, but always wear safety eye protection. It says 3 meters away. Well, that didn't work. Now, Skyfire claims that this light has an output of 10,000 lumens. So let's give it a shot and see what we got. So that's strobe mode. Okay, so that's high power. That's 10,000. That was not me. That was lightning. That's the brightest light of them all. It does have a decent throw. Minimal distortion around the ring. I can't see all the way. That's pretty far, actually. Those people are probably like, yo, WTF, man, what you doing? I wouldn't say it's 10,000 lumens. Whoa. Skyfire US. This is on floodlight mode. The barrel is fully extended. Now let's pull the barrel back.